Good morning, students. Today's topic is chapter 5 algebraic expression. In class 4, you have already learned some basic concepts of algebra. Now, in this class, we shall learn more about algebraic expression and how they are formed and developed by using one or more variables. First is algebraic expression. In algebraic expression, we use two type of symbols, that is constants and variable. If I simply write 2x, here 2 is constant and x is variable. Why x is called variable? Because if I put into x, if I put x is equal to 1, then it becomes 2x is equal to 2 into 1, that is 2. If I put x is equal to 2, then 2x become 2 into 2, that is 4. That means the value of x is not fixed. So this 2x is a algebraic expression, and this expression is expression in one variable. Now if I write 2x plus 5, here 2 is constant, x is variable, and 5 is constant. So this expression 2x plus 5 is expression of two terms, first term and second term. Now if I write 3x square plus 2x plus 1, then this is a algebraic expression in three terms, first term, second term and one term. First, second, third, three terms, so it is an algebraic expression. So next is, when we multiply variable with variable, suppose x into x, then it become x square. X into x, as we have done in exponent powers, x to the power 3. Now terms of an algebraic expression. Again, suppose the expression is 2x plus 5, only 2x, then the number of terms is 1, and the algebraic expression we have one term, it is called monomial. Suppose the expression is 3x plus 2, now two terms, first and second, the terms is two, number of terms 2, 1 and 2, then it is called binomial. Suppose 4x square plus 3x plus 1, three terms, trinomial. And more than three terms or two or more terms, now it is more than three terms, or then it's called multinomials, four terms. So if the number of term is 1, then algebraic expression is called monomial. If the number of term is 2, then it's binomial. Number of term is 3, then it is called trinomial. Number is more than 2 terms, then it is called multinomial. Now next is product. When 3x, then that means it is a product of 3 into x. Suppose 3xyz, then it is a product of 3 into x into y into z. These are called factors. Now factors of 3xyz is 3x, y and z. And if it is 3x cube, then factor is 3 into x into x into x. Now how to make a tree diagram? tree diagram. Suppose the expression is 5xyz plus 7. Now first term is 5xyz and second term is 7. Now again the factor of this is 5x y and z. So it is a tree diagram of. Now take one more example. Suppose question is 3x to the power 3 plus 5xy plus 2. Now first term is 3x cube, second term is 5xy, third term is 2. Now the factors of this is 3 into x into x into x. Now again 5x and now 2 is. Now next is coefficients of algebraic expression. Now suppose I write 5x, then coefficient of x is 5, numerical coefficient. Now if I write 5xy, the numerical coefficient is 5, but if I write coefficient of x only, x, here x is multiplied with 5 and y, the coefficient of x is 5xy. If I write numerical coefficient of expression, this is a numerical coefficient, 5 is a numerical coefficient of this expression. If I write only coefficient of x only, then it is 5x and 5y only. X, coefficient of x is 5 and y. Now in this case, suppose 3 minus 3 x y z, coefficient of x is equal to with sign minus 3 y z. In this expression, coefficient of z is minus 3xy only. The coefficient of z is minus 3xy, coefficient of x is minus 3yz, and coefficient of y is equal to minus 3xz. Now come to example number 1. Example number 1 is, first is form the algebraic expression using variables, constants and arithmetic operations. First is 2 more than 5 times a number x. That means first of all let the number be x, number x. So x is given, so 5 times x means 5x. Now 2 more than 5 times x means plus 2. So expression for 2 more than 5 times a number x is equal to 5 times means 5 into x, more than means plus 2. Second part is 1/4 of the product of y and z. 1/4, that means 1/4, 1/4. Product of y and z means yz, or you can write yz upon 4. Third part is 3 times x is subtracted from 10. 3 times x is subtracted from 10. You know, from means 10 minus 3 times x means 3x. Fourth is the number x is multiplied by itself. The number x multiplied by itself means x into x, and add it to thrice of y. Then add it to thrice of y means 3y. That means x into x is x square plus 3y. Now example number 2. Example number 2 is, write down the algebraic expression whose terms are 3a minus 4a and 7c. Simply you have to 3a minus 4a plus, where sign is not there we have to put plus sign. This is a algebraic expression. Second part is 5xy 2y minus 3y and 8. 5xy plus sign is not there, then plus minus 3y plus 8. Third part 3pq 5pq square minus 7p square q and 3pq. These are all unlike terms. Plus 3. Yes, like terms and unlike. Like terms are those terms whose variables are same. Suppose 3a, 2a, minus 5a, they are like terms. 3a, 3b, 4c, 5z, unlike terms. 2xy, 3yx, xy and yx are like term because 2 into 3 is also 6 and 3 into 2 is also 6. So xy and yx is one of the same thing. And minus 7xy, these are all like terms. So these all are unlike terms, that's why this is minus 4b. Otherwise it will be added, it will become minus a. This is 4b. Now next is example number 3. Write all the terms in each of the following algebraic expression. In example number 3, first part, that is 5x minus 9y plus 3xy. Now we have to separate it with sign. These are the terms of first term, second term and third term. And in second part also, that is 3ab minus 9abq plus 5c square minus 3. First term is 3ab minus 9abq, third term is 5c square, fourth term is minus 3. And question number 4, example number 4, sorry, that is, identify the term and their factors in following expression by showing T diagram. Yes, tree diagram. First question is 5x plus 3y. 5x 3y, these are terms. Now 5 and x, 3 and y, factors. In second part, 3xy minus 7, now 7x. 3xy minus 7x terms 3xy minus 7x factors. And similarly in third part, x square y plus xy square minus 5, these are terms, these are factors. This is it. These are factors. These are terms. You can write it minus 1 into 5 also. These are factors. Now example number 5. Example number 5 is, consider the algebraic expression that is 4x square 4x cube y 4x cube y minus 2x square y square plus 3 by 2 x y square minus 6x. Now first part is, what is the number of terms? Number of terms is 4. 1 2 3 4, and we have to name that. That is equal to 4x cube y first term minus 2x square y square second term, 3 by 2 x y square, these are terms, then minus 6x. Second part is, what is the numerical coefficient of minus 2x square y square, that is equal to minus 2, numerical coefficient. The third part is, what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square in 4x cube y. 4x cube y means 4 into x into x into x into y. That means x square is x into x. So coefficient is 4xy. Now what is the coefficient of y square in? Coefficient of y square in 3 by 2 xy square. Now y square is multiplied with 3 by 2 into x, that is 3 by 2. Now in exercise 5.1, question number 1 to 10 is your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.